Hello my friends, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to replace a dry belt or serpentine belt on a 2013 Acura TSX 4-cylinder, and I believe that the K series, K24 series from Honda and Acura, they're very similar. So if you watch this dry belt replacement on this TSX model, you can do anything from 2009 to 2013 Acura TSX. They're very similar, and if they are K series model, they're very similar. So let's go ahead and start it. So as you notice, here's you look down there, this one is the tensioner pulley. Then the way we do it is we use the long 14mm range, or if you can use a 17 belt removal tool. If you don't have one, you can use this long 14mm range. And you put it on the 14mm right there. You put it on the tensioner pulley bolt, and then you pull it back toward you, like pretty much pull it back toward the front of the vehicle, and then you see the tensioner relief, and then you can slide the dry belt off. Then that's how you remove it. Then when you install it, just round it through all the pulley, and we're gonna finish up with the top pulley right here. So we put the tensioner tool on, and then we pull it back while we're sliding the dry belt on. Just like that. And then making sure that the belt is on properly, it doesn't stick out on the lips here. That's looking good. Then we'll start the engine up, making sure that the dry belt is installed properly and doesn't slip up any pulley. So the dry belt installed and the engine's running. The dry belt doesn't slip off any pulley. We know that we installed it properly. That is how you replace the serpentine belt on a 2013 TSX. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.